Learn English easily.
The daily routine of Julie, a brilliant college student. My day starts before the sun comes up. At 6 a.m., my alarm rings softly, waking me up gently. I stretch my arms, let out a big yawn, and get out of bed. My mind is already thinking about all the tasks and responsibilities I have for the day. I am a sophomore at a well-known college, famous for my intelligence, dedication, and amazing ability to organize college events. Then I dress in my favorite workout clothes, ready for my morning run around the campus. I tie my sneakers, take a quick drink of water, and head out the door. The cool morning air hits me, waking me up completely. The campus is quiet at this time, with only a few people around. I love this peaceful time. As I run, I think about my day, including my classes, assignments, and meetings. Running keeps me in shape and helps clear my mind, making it easier to focus on my busy schedule. The route I take winds through the most beautiful parts of the campus. I pass by the old library with its ivy-covered walls, the big green lawns of the quad, and the calm pond where ducks often gather. The sound of my footsteps and my steady breathing make me feel calm and focused. By the time I finish my run, I feel refreshed and ready for the day's challenges. I return around 7:15 a.m. My cheeks get red from the exercise. I head straight to the shower, letting the warm water wash away the sweat and any remaining sleepiness. Afterward, I dress in comfortable yet stylish clothes, ready for a full day of classes and meetings. Breakfast is an important part of my morning routine. I make a healthy meal, usually a bowl of oatmeal with fresh berries and a protein smoothie. While I eat, I look over my planner and check my to-do list for the day. My mornings are carefully planned to make sure I get the most done. By 8 a.m., I am ready to go to my first class. My first class of the day is Advanced Calculus, one of my favorite subjects. I love the challenge of solving hard problems and enjoy the logical beauty of math. I get to the lecture hall early, sit in the front row, and get my notes and textbooks ready. Throughout the class, I am very involved, taking detailed notes and actively participating in discussions. My professors appreciate my enthusiasm and my smart questions, which often lead to interesting debates among my classmates. After calculus, I have a short break. I head to the campus library, a place I find both comforting and inspiring. The library is quiet at this time, with only a few students scattered among the study tables. I settle into my favorite spot by the window, pull out my laptop, and start working on my assignments. The peaceful atmosphere helps me focus, and I manage to complete a lot of work in the hour I have before my next class. At 11 a.m., I attend my microbiology class. This subject fascinates me, and I am deeply engaged in the lecture, absorbing every detail. My love for learning is clear, and I often stay after class to discuss topics with my professor, who appreciates my curiosity and dedication. By 12:30 p.m., it's lunchtime. I meet up with my friends at the student cafeteria. Even though I am very busy, I value these moments to socialize. Over a hearty salad and a cup of coffee, we talk about everything from upcoming exams to the latest college events. My friends admire how well I balance my academic work with my extracurricular activities. After lunch, I head to the Student Union building. I am the president of the event organizing committee and have a meeting with my team. We are planning a big fundraising event for the college's scholarship program. I lead the discussion, giving out tasks and making sure every detail is covered. My leadership skills are clear, and my team members respect me for my ability to organize and my dedication. The meeting ends at 2:30 p.m., and I head to my next class, Creative Writing. This is my favorite class because it lets me express myself and explore my creativity. I enjoy writing short stories and poems, often getting ideas from my busy life and the people around me. By 4 p.m., my classes are done for the day, but my work is not over. I go to the library again, this time to meet with my study group. We review the material for our upcoming exams, quiz each other, and share study tips. My sharp mind and deep understanding of the subjects make me a valuable member of the group. At 6 p.m., I finally headed back to my dorm. I take a short break, catching up on messages and scrolling through social media. Then I prepare a light dinner, usually a grilled chicken salad or a vegetable stir-fry. After dinner, I relax by reading a novel or watching an episode of my favorite TV show. By 8 p.m., I am back at my desk, working on my assignments and projects. I believe in staying ahead of my coursework, and my disciplined approach ensures I never fall behind. I work hard for a few hours, taking short breaks to stretch and refocus. At 10 p.m., I take a final look at my planner, checking off tasks I have completed and noting any remaining ones for the next day. I then spend some time reflecting on my day, writing down my thoughts in my journal. This helps me relax and get ready for a good night's sleep. Then I'm ready for bed. I set my alarm for the next day, knowing that another busy and productive day awaits me. As I fall asleep, I feel a sense of satisfaction and pride in what I have accomplished. My dedication to my studies and my passion for organizing events make me an outstanding student, admired by my peers and professors. And so, my day comes to an end. I know that tomorrow will start again with the same determination and enthusiasm that drives me every day. My journey through college is marked by my hard work, passion, and energy. Each day, I wake up ready to face new challenges, learn new things, and help organize events. My dedication and positive attitude make my college life both exciting and fulfilling.
Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more.